integrate 2x cube into e power x square dx. So for integration this type of question, we have to assume that x square will be our t. Let us assume x square is our t. So when we differentiate, what we will get? We will get 2x equals to dt by dx. So 2x dx equals to dt. Okay, so see, I from this now 2x cube I can separate 2x, and then dx also I have. So 2x into dx, that value I have got dt. So now what is left? From this I took x, so x square is only left, and from this e power x square. So x square means I can write here t. So see, this 2x dx I wrote as dt. This is my dt. Instead of 2x dx I wrote dt, and then e power x square I wrote e power t only. Then what is left? X square only left. So x square means t only, because I assumed x square as t only. So see, again, 1 second, I'll show you each thing separately. 2x dx, that has become my dt. So instead of those things I wrote dt. Then instead of x square I wrote t only, see, and then instead of e power x square I wrote e power t, because x square I have taken as t. So now everything I have turned into t only, in terms of t only. So our function has become now in the integration t into e power t only. So t will be our algebra. So according to Euler rule, algebra come first, then it will come exponential function. So e power t is exponential, that is our second function, and t is algebra, that is our first function. So integrate this type of question, we have to use integration by parts, because the functions are in the product form. So according to integration by parts, first function as it is into integration of second, minus in the integration of derivative of first into integration of second. So t as it is, integration of e power t here. 1 second, integration of e power t will be e power t only, minus in the integration of derivative of t will be 1 into integration of e power t will be e power t only. So in the integration, what is left? Only e power t left, so its integration will be e power t only. So now I have got here two terms. One term is t into e power t, second term is e power t only. So from these two terms I have taken e power t common. So what is left? From the first term t, and from the second term minus 1 only left. Now because our question was not in the terms of t, it was in terms of x only, so we have to convert that question, that answer again in terms of x only. So t means x square, so I replaced again t by x square here also, and t means x square only I wrote. So this is our answer. Thank you.